It is a bright morning. The sun is soft in the sky. The air is fresh and calm. Birds are singing gently in the trees. Anna opens her eyes slowly. She feels happy today. It is market day. She loves going to the market. Anna gets out of bed and stretches her arms. She smiles. She can hear sounds from outside. There are people walking. There are bicycles passing by. Somewhere a dog is barking. The village is waking up. The day is beginning. Anna washes her face and brushes her teeth. She puts on a clean dress and a small hat. She takes her basket from the table. The basket is brown and light. She always takes this basket when she goes to the market. She goes to the kitchen. Her mother is there, making tea. The smell of tea fills the air. "Good morning, Anna," her mother says. "Good morning, Mama," Anna answers with a smile. "Are you going to the market?" her mother asks. "Yes, Mama. I want to buy some vegetables and fruits." Her mother nods. "Be careful and come back before noon." "I will, Mama," Anna says. She takes a piece of bread and eats it quickly. Then she steps outside. The morning sun touches her face. The road is quiet, but she can hear voices in the distance. The market is not far from her house. She walks slowly and enjoys the air. As Anna walks, she sees her neighbor, Mr. Tom. He is watering his plants. "Good morning, Mr. Tom," Anna says. "Good morning, Anna. Going to the market?" "Yes," she replies. "Do you need something?" Mr. Tom laughs. "No, thank you. I went yesterday. Have a good day." "You too," Anna says and continues walking. The road becomes busier. She can see more people now. Some are carrying baskets. Some are pulling small carts. Everyone looks happy. The smell of food comes from the market street. She can smell bread, fruit, and fried snacks. It makes her hungry again. Soon, she arrives at the market gate. The market is full of colors and sounds. There are red tomatoes, green cucumbers, yellow bananas, and orange mangoes. People are talking, laughing, and calling one another. The air feels warm and alive. Anna walks slowly through the rows of stalls. She looks at everything. There are women selling vegetables. There are men selling fish. There are children helping their parents. Everyone is busy, but they all smile when they see her. She stops at the first stall. An old woman sits behind a table full of vegetables. "Good morning, Grandma May," Anna says. "Good morning, my dear," Grandma May answers kindly. "You came early today." "Yes, I wanted to buy the best vegetables," Anna smiles. "Of course," Grandma May says. "What do you need today?" Anna looks at the table. She sees carrots, spinach, beans, and lettuce. I would like some carrots and spinach, please. Grandma may put some fresh carrots and green spinach into a small bag. Here you go. How much is it? Anna asks. 2 coins, dear. Anna gives her the coins and thanks her. Your vegetables are always so fresh. Thank you, Anna. Come again next week. Anna walks to another stall. This one sells fruits. A young man smiles at her. Hello, Anna. Fresh fruits today. Hello, Ben. Anna says, what fruits do you have? Ben points to the table. I have apples, mangoes, oranges, and bananas. They're very sweet today. Anna looks at the fruits. They are shiny and colorful. She picks up an apple. This apple looks nice. Yes, it is from the farm near the river, Ben says. I'll take 3 apples and 2 mangoes, Anna says. Ben puts them carefully into her basket. That will be 3 coins. Anna pays and thanks him. See you next time. Have a good day, Anna, Ben smiles. Anna continues walking through the market. She sees stalls full of bread, flowers, and spices. The smell of fresh bread fills the air. The baker waves at her. Good morning, Anna. Good morning, Mr. Baker. The bread smells wonderful. Would you like one? He asks. Yes, please. 1 small loaf. He wraps the bread and gives it to her. It is warm in her hands. Thank you, Mr. Baker. You are welcome, my dear. Enjoy your day. Anna walks past a flower stall. There are roses, lilies, and sunflowers. The colors are so bright. She stops to smell the flowers. Do you like flowers? The flower lady asks. Yes, I love them. They smell so nice. Would you like to buy some? Anna smiles. Maybe next time. Today, I only need food. That's fine, the lady says. Have a happy day. The market is getting busier. More people are coming. Children are running and laughing. A man plays a flute on the corner. The sound is soft and happy. A group of women are talking about recipes and family. The market feels alive, like a small world full of joy. Anna finds a place to sit near a fruit stall. She rests her basket beside her. She looks around. The market is full of life and color. She listens to the voices, the music, and the sounds of people. It makes her feel peaceful. She thinks about her mother at home. She'll be happy to see the fresh vegetables and fruits. Anna smiles. She feels thankful for the simple things, the morning sun, the kind people, the good food. After resting, Anna decides to buy some eggs. She goes to the egg stall. A man is arranging eggs carefully in baskets. Good morning, sir, Anna says. Good morning, young lady. How many eggs do you need? 12, please. He counts 12 eggs and puts them in a small box. Here you go, he says kindly. Thank you. How much? 2 coins. Anna pays and puts the box carefully in her basket. She walks to another stall that sells milk and cheese. The woman behind the counter greets her. Hello, Anna. You're always early. Yes, I like to come before it gets too crowded. That's smart, the woman says. Do you need milk today? Yes, 1 bottle of milk and a small piece of cheese, please. The woman gives her the items. Here you go, fresh from the farm. Thank you so much, Anna says. Now Anna's basket is full. She has vegetables, fruits, bread, eggs, milk, and cheese. She feels happy and proud. She loves visiting the market. It is not just about buying things. It is about meeting people, hearing stories, and feeling the life of the town. Before going home, she decides to have a small snack. She goes to the food corner. There are stalls with soup, noodles, and sweet cakes. The smell is delicious. She stops at a small stall run by an old man. Hello, Anna, he says with a big smile. Would you like some soup? Yes, please. Your soup always smells so good. You give her a bowl of hot vegetable soup. The taste is warm and soft. She eats slowly, enjoying each spoonful. When she finishes, she thanks him. It was very good, thank you. You're welcome, Anna. Come again tomorrow. She smiles and waves. I will. The sun is higher now. The market is full and noisy. Anna decides it is time to go home. She walks slowly to the gate. Along the way, she meets some children she knows. They wave and smile. Did you buy nice things, Anna? One of them asks. Yes. Look, I have apples and bread. They laugh and cheer. Yummy. Anna walks down the road toward her house. The sky is bright and a soft wind blows. She feels the weight of the basket, but she doesn't mind. She is happy. She likes walking home from the market. The sound of the village is calm and peaceful. When she reaches home, her mother is waiting by the door. Welcome back, Anna. You came right on time. Yes, Mama. I bought everything we need. Show me, her mother says. Anna puts the basket on the table and starts taking out the things. Carrots, spinach, apples, mangoes, eggs, bread, milk, and cheese. Her mother smiles with joy. You did very well, Anna. These look so fresh. The market was full today, Anna says. I met Grandma May and Ben and Mr. Baker. Everyone was so kind. That's wonderful, her mother says. Now we can make a nice lunch. They work together in the kitchen. Her mother washes the vegetables while Anna cuts the bread. The smell of cooking fills the house. They make soup with spinach and carrots, and fruit salad with apples and mangoes. When lunch is ready, they sit together at the table. The food looks beautiful. The colors of the vegetables and fruits make the table bright. "This is delicious," her mother says. "Yes," Anna smiles. Fresh food always tastes better. After lunch, Anna helps clean the table. Then she sits by the window. The afternoon sun is soft. She thinks about her trip to the market, the sounds, the people, the colors. She feels calm and thankful. She whispers to herself, "The market is not just a place to buy food. It is a place full of life." Outside, she can still hear distant voices and laughter from the market. The day is slowly ending, but her heart feels full. She knows she will go again next week. There will be new fruits, new smiles, and new stories. The market is a small world, warm, colorful, alive. And every time she goes there, she learns something simple and good about life.